Here are your ingredients. This is what we had on hand. Mushrooms, onions, cabbage, jalapenos, olive oil. Chop them all up. It's not important how you chop them, but just that your pieces of cabbage and onion are the same size, so all the onion is the same. Add some olive oil to a pre-warmed pan. There we go. You can see it's warm. Now bring over your onions and now your mushrooms. Get in the pan. So it's been in there for a couple minutes now. We're going to flip it. We haven't actually, now we're adding the mushrooms. Here we go. And I had a little bit of olive oil left over, so why not use it? Let it bake for 2 to 3 more minutes, and now it's time for the seasoning. First, I'm going to get the caraway seed, and I'm not going to use a measuring spoon whatsoever. So caraway with cabbage is a great combination. Put a little bit in the palm of your hand, sprinkle it over the top, then get your old world seasoning. That is essentially paprika, a little bit of dash of salt, a little dash of sugar, some garlic powder. That's what you should use if you don't have old world seasoning. Give it a good stir. It's going to become nice and aromatic because of that oil and that steam. And now you are ready with your caraway and cabbage. Serve it as a side dish or add some eggs. It's yummy. Always making something.